Understanding stripes and solids, an English phrase explored. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in English, stripes and solids. This phrase might sound simple, but it carries specific meanings in different contexts. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what stripes and solids means but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. Stripes and solids primarily comes from the game of pool or billiards. In this context, stripes refers to balls with striped patterns, while solids are balls with solid colors. This distinction is crucial in the game, as players usually have to target either stripes or solids during their turn. Beyond billiards, stripes and solids can metaphorically represent two distinct categories or groups. For example, in a discussion about preferences or choices, someone might say, "There are two types of people in this world, stripes and solids." Here, it's used to highlight clear differences between groups or opinions. A common mistake learners make is using stripes and solids to refer to clothing patterns or designs. While it might sound logical, the phrase isn't typically used in fashion contexts. Remember, its primary association is with billiards, and its metaphorical use generally revolves around categorization, not design. Let's see how this phrase is used in sentences. 1. In our team, we have both stripes and solids, meaning some people love taking risks while others prefer playing it safe. 2. When it comes to ice cream flavors, are you a stripe or a solid? Do you like complex mixtures or single flavors? I hope this video sheds light on the phrase, stripes and solids, and its interesting usage in English. Remember, it's more than just a pool term. It's a way to express differences in categories or preferences. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.